Today I'll be swapping my Honda Civic 1999 headlights for these Spec-D Tuning LED blacked out lens headlights. This is gonna look really good because my current headlights are pretty foggy. As you can see, my headlight is foggy. I've already taken off the front bumper. Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the housing. You can do this with a wrench, but I got a drill bit, 10 mil. So as you can see, these have a DRL LED bar on them right here. They look really cool. My car doesn't have DRLs, so I have to wire this through the interior with an add a circuit with fuses from the interior fuse box. So you can all clearly see my under dash fuse box here. There we go, like that, and then they kind of snap in. So now I'm gonna plug this assembly of fuses back into the slot. That's through, so I'm gonna duct tape some wire to this. I got it pulled through. I'm gonna put the new bulb into this and then do some actual wiring. So now, in all of its glory, this is the completed assembly. Now I've got it soldered, I'm gonna test it. Now to just clean off the lights.